All right, the next thing we're going to do is terminate our copper to our mono. It's the same process for terminating copper to braid as well. First step is always terminate the copper end first, because you will be using a lighter to shrink your shrink tube, and if your mono or your braid is connected to the swivel, you can compromise your mono or braid because of the heat. So first step, take about, I like to use about 1.5 inches of a high quality shrink tube. We'll slide that onto our copper, just like so. Now we grab our swivel, we go through one side of the swivel and make a loop, just like so. Then all we do is wrap that around. And I like to see at least 5 wraps. So you have something like that. Now, you can trim this just with a pair of pliers or just with a pair of scissors. It trims very easily. Now, I like to shrink that down and then slide that back, so we have this that we're working with now. Okay, simple. Slide shrink tube over. We want to get it to be to where it is just like that. And we'll get you a picture of that very quickly. All right, next step. We'll take our lighter. I started on the swivel end. Shrink tube is halfway on the barrel of the swivel. This is a number 8 micro swivel or Sprouse style swivel. We touch it there and it locks up. Now we work back towards the copper. Once again, do not have your mono tied on to the swivel, because the heat can actually damage that mono. Same with braid. So that connection is done. All right, at this point we are ready to tie on our mono or our braid. Either way, going to use a uni knot. So we go through. You can check the other video to see the uni knot up close, but I'll just tie it right here with my mono. Six wraps. A little bit of spit. Very strong knot. Copper to mono.